Hi everyone, Creative Creations by Robin here, and I'm Robin. I am new to YouTube. This is my first video, and so I'm pretty nervous, so don't judge me too harshly. So basically this video is just an introduction to my channel and kind of about myself and what I'm going to be doing. So basically my main passion is crochet, but I do knit and have also been dabbling in loom knitting lately. So I'll also be doing some shopping videos, possibly, and some unboxings, which leads me to today's video, which is going to be an unboxing. So this is from Michaels. Excuse my voice, I've been kind of sick. And let's open her up and see what I got. It's been a while, so I can't even remember what I ordered. Not cooperating. Awesome. Okay. And get all the papers out of the way. And because I am in Canada, the prices are probably a lot higher than what you guys would pay in the States or elsewhere. But I will go ahead and give you the prices anyways. So, first off, we have our Caron Simply Soft. And it's 100% acrylic. It's a size 4. And how many? It's got 315 yards. So yeah, you can see it's a size 4. So yeah, that's the Caron Simply Soft. And that one costs $3.99. Then we have the Red Heart Super Saver Pooling Yarn. That'd be this one. Oh, it's kind of coming apart. So that's the Super Saver Pooling. And it's, oh yeah, it's a size 4. And also 100% acrylic. And yeah, I don't know if it has the, oh yeah, 236 yards. Like I said, that's also a size 4 and 100% acrylic. And that one was $3.99 as well. And then Loops and Threads, the Kai by Loops and Threads. And it was $4.49. And it's 308 yards, 282 meters. And it's a size 3. I don't know. Kind of seems like a big size 3, but it is a size 3. And it is, I believe, 100% acrylic as well. Yep, 100% acrylic. So that's the Kai Loops and Threads. And then I thought I'd check out this Craft Smart yarn. I guess it's a Michaels brand. And it was $2.99. Yeah, it's kind of rough like your normal Super Saver, Red Heart Super Saver. It's 364 yards and a size 4 as well. You can see it's a size 4. And I believe 100% acrylic as well. Yep. So yeah, that's the value, Craft Smart value yarn from Michaels. Okay, and that one was $2.99. And then the Red Heart, it's a wrap, was $7.99. And it's 623 yards. And it is, I believe, a size 2. Yep, a size 2. Okay, so that was a size 2. Sorry about that, I got a phone call, so it stopped my video. Yeah, and that's the Red Heart It's a Wrap Rainbow. And 55% acrylic, 45% cotton. And 623 yards, and it was $7.99. And last one is the Red Heart Boutique Unforgettable, and it was $4.99. And I really love the colors on this. It's got so many different colors in there. It's just beautiful, and it's really soft. I've wanted to try this for a while. It is 270 yards, and it's a size 4, and 100% acrylic. Oh, and the colorway is candied. I forgot to give the colorways on the other ones. But like I said, this is my first video, so, you know, next one will be better. Yeah, so that's all the yarn, and then I decided to check out this little mini loom, because, you know, I've been, you know, trying out these other looms that my daughter had. So this is a Learn to Mini Loom kit, and it was $6.29. So I don't know, I guess it's more of the ones I had were round ones, so I thought I'd try this one and, yeah, see how it works out. So yeah, that's my unboxing from Michaels. We don't have a lot of places in my town to buy yarn besides like Walmart. So basically it's ordering in yarn. So yeah, thanks for your time, and please like and subscribe. Thanks.